Hi children, I hope you all are good. Okay, so today I have come up with a new topic of math that is fractions. Okay, let's know about what are fractions actually. Okay. Yeah. Fractions are numbers that represent a part of a whole or a ratio between two quantities. Okay, it's nothing but children. See, a complete quantity or a complete thing. Okay, if you are making that into partitions, suppose, see, for example, I'll tell you like a cake which you are cutting on your birthday, right? So, in that, if you want to distribute with equal quantity to your friends, okay, then what you'll do, so you'll cut it evenly, right? So you'll see that it is coming equal, like equal part you're sharing to your friends, right? So in the same way, that is nothing but a whole cake you are making into parts, okay, in the good, like same quantity. Okay, that is nothing but you're dividing that as a fraction there. Okay, so there are several types of fractions based on their characteristics and forms. See here, 1, the complete orange line you can see there. See, that is 1. And the next line, that is red one, that is 1 by 2. That is nothing but 1 you are dividing, the same one line you are dividing into 2. So it is 1 by 2. And next third one, it is purple. See that here you're dividing into 3. So 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So same way when you're dividing into 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they are in different ratios. Okay. So I'll tell you more clear. Yeah. The next one. So here I have written like 3 by 4, for example. 3 by 4, first thing you have to know what is numerator, what is denominator. Okay. The above number which is written on the top, that is 3, it is called as numerator. Okay. And the bottom number, the below number 4, that is called as denominator. Okay, children? Yeah. So now in this we have few major, like main types of fractions. From those, the first one is proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction where numerator is smaller than the denominator. So just now we have seen that 3 by 4 was the example which we have taken. So in that, if the numerator, the above number, the top number is smaller than the denominator. See here, below I have given two examples, 2 by 5 and 3 by 7. So you can observe here, 2 is less than 5, right? And 3 is less than 7. Okay, here the above numbers are less than the below numbers, the bottom numbers, right? So these type of fractions are called as proper fractions. Okay, these are the examples of the proper fractions. And below you can observe the other examples, children. And next one. Next one is nothing but improper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction where numerator is equal to or greater than the denominator. So this is very simple, children. It is exactly opposite to the proper fraction. Okay. See here, it is nothing but when the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay. See here, 7 by 4. 7 is greater than 4. 9 by 5. 9 is greater than 5. Yes. So when the numerators are greater than the denominators, they are called as improper fractions. Or else, if the both the numerator and denominator, if they are same also, they are called as improper fraction. See in the below diagram, you can see 2 by 2, 4 by 4. They are also called as improper fractions. Okay, got it? Yeah. Next one. The next one is mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fraction. So in the name itself, you can see means you are mixing the fraction, right? See that. A mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Whole number in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. What are all these numbers? They are whole numbers, right? So if you are they are combining a whole and a proper fraction and a proper fraction. Just now we have seen that proper fraction is nothing but the numerator will be less than the denominator. So in the below examples, you can see 3 1 by 2, 2 3 by 4. Okay, these are mixed fractions. And in the below diagram also you can observe the whole complete blue colored one, that is one complete whole. Whereas the right side circle you can observe three parts are colored out of 4, that is 3 by 4. So these are called mixed fractions. Okay. And next one is like fractions. Like fractions have the same denominators. So this is simple, quite easy, right? So the denominators, if both the denominators are same, whatever the numerators are, okay, whatever the numerators are, if the denominators are same, see here 3 by 4 and 5 by 4, the denominators here are same, right? 4 and 4. So these type of fractions are called like fractions, okay. And below figure you can also observe that 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. So you are removing one of this 3 by 4, you will get 1 by 4. Okay children. Later we'll also learn about the operations or addition, subtraction, all these things we'll later on learn about that. Now unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are completely opposite to the like fractions, same here. So 2 by 5 and 3 by 7 are unlike fractions. Why? Because they're having the different denominators. When the denominators are not same, they're different, they are known as unlike fractions. Okay children? Yeah, next one. The next fractions is unit fraction. So here, unit fraction, you can see that. See, a unit fraction is a fraction with a numerator of 1. So what all the fractions they are having, if they are having the numerator as 1, they are called as unit fractions. For example, 1 by 3, 1 by 5 and 1 by 8. Right? Here all the fractions are having what number as numerator? 1. Okay? Such fractions are called unit fractions. Okay? Yeah. Next one. The next one is nothing but equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions are fractions that represent the same value but have different numerators and denominators. So see here the below example whatever I have given, it is exactly the exact like example, perfect example for this equivalent fraction. You can see here complete circle. It is given as, so that is nothing but see all the circles, it is colored with pink color. Exactly half of that is colored. But the fractions are differing there. See, because based on the partitions made 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. Okay. So these are equivalent fractions. Yeah, and the next one is see for fractions we can also write the reciprocal of that. Okay, reciprocal is also called multiplicative inverse. Okay, it is nothing but in simple words I'll explain you. The numerator becomes the denominator and denominator becomes the numerator. That is nothing but the reciprocal. For example, see 2 by 3. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 3? It is nothing but 3 by 2. And one more thing what you have to remember is the right side I have shown you 3 by 4 and 4 by 3. When you are multiplying these two fractions, see 4 and 4 get cancelled, 3 and 3 get cancelled. So the answer will be 1. It is nothing but the second point. The product of a fraction and its reciprocal is always 1. Okay, this is very much important. In the bits you will be getting such questions. And the next one is proper fraction in lowest terms. A proper fraction is said to be in its lowest terms when the numerator and denominator have no common factors other than 1. So, if the numerator and denominators are not having any other common factors other than 1, they are said to be like proper fractions in lowest terms. Okay, children? And the last one, what I want to explain clearly here is rational number. A rational number is any number that can be expressed as a fraction where the numerator and denominator are integers. All the above types of fractions are examples of rational numbers. So whatever the fractions, types of fractions we have gone through now, they are nothing but they are the examples of rational numbers. So once again you just read the definition of the rational number, you can understand clearly. Okay children, so hope you all liked this the video and you understood what are the fractions and types of fractions we are having in the maths. Okay, just apply all these things and just know and be thorough with what are the different types of fractions. And if you like this video, just like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita Knowledge Hub. Okay children, have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.